an act of compassion by a woman police constable has won hearts in Andhra Pradesh East Godavari district. On Saturday night, an ambulance carrying a patient was stuck in heavy traffic on the Samarlakota Kakinada road. At the same time, woman constable A. Jayashanti, posted at Rangampeta police station, was returning home after duty, carrying her baby in her arms. Despite being off duty and outside her police jurisdiction, Jayashanti immediately stepped in after noticing the ambulance struggling to move through the traffic. Holding her child, she began clearing vehicles and creating a path for the ambulance, ensuring that it could move forward without delay. Her quick response was driven purely by humanitarian concern, officials said. The incident was witnessed by commuters and later came to public attention, drawing praise for her dedication, presence of mind, and compassion beyond duty hours. Jayashanti's actions stand as a reminder that public service extends beyond uniform and jurisdictions, especially when a life is at stake.